Hey guys, Brendan here from Rogue Fabrication. We're going to talk to you guys about notching some tube. This is some 2-inch 120 wall chromoly. We have a few customers that still have some of our older red hole saws. These ones are a little bit more wonky and they give you a little bit more trouble, but we're going to show you how to notch successfully with them. And then we're also going to switch over and show you our new black hole saws from our new supplier, deepsaws.com. Okay guys, so we're going to show you how to do a 90-degree notch, but we're doing the 90-degree notch on the side where the handle is for the jaw. The reason this handle is removable is so that you can go full 90, lock it down by hand, and then put the handle back on to tighten it up the rest of the way. Now once you make sure your material is secured, you're at the angle you want, everything like that, we're going to do this without oil right now. We do recommend you use some cutting oil, but the smoke and everything kind of blocks the shot. It doesn't allow you to see what's going on. Hi, Colin.
Hi, just looking for some knives.
So now that you have your jaw locked down, we're at full lock this way. Make sure our pivot's locked down. This is the 850 RPM drill. We're going to start it off at full blast, and we're going to move this thing in super slow. You're almost going to be holding it back so that it's not pulling into the part too much and grabbing too much chip load and catching and breaking your wrist. As long as you go slow, you'll minimize all of the heat that's going to build up in the part. You'll see now. I'm barely pushing. It's a slow process to get a good notch without galling out your hole saw. So it's getting a little hot, burning off some of the paint. Still, very gradual pressure. Breaking through. As you can see, it's a little slower than you would think in your head, but if you go slower, you get a nicer cut and you're gonna preserve the hole saw for more cuts. Okay, so now as you can see, this hole saw has all of its teeth left. We didn't break any off, we went slow. This is gonna preserve the life of your hole saws. Now we're gonna do some time-lapse footage and we're gonna burn up a bunch of this expensive chromoly and show you how many cuts we can get with this hole saw. Time-lapse away! Right there is where you punch through the center and you have less meat and your slow, steady pressure increases because there's less cut material. You have to slow down a little bit, otherwise it'll grab. There we go. Cut number 2, baby. Cut number 3. Now I'm just taking the wrench here and putting it on one bolt and using it as like a lever just to undo the vise. Slip it forward a little bit here. Doing little cuts. Now I'm putting it back on there and tighten the vise back up. All right, go for it again. Hey guys, so I don't have all day to notch this tube up into nothingness, but we're gonna switch over and show you the black hole saws now. Okay, so we're gonna now put in our deepsaws.com. This is our 4 to 6 TPI, 3" on 2 hole saw. Okay guys, so now we got our 4 to 6 TPI deepsaws.com hole saw in here, and we're gonna continue on notching, showing you guys how well these new hole saws work too. Okay guys, so I don't have all day because it is a work day to just notch with you guys, but now it's your turn to go and practice on your notcher. Anyone that has other tips and tricks, leave them in the comments below. Go give us a follow, a like, subscribe, and check out the next video. Bye.